What's up, y'all? It's your girl again, Big Lady. Anyway, and I've come back today with another review of a product. And it's going to be this. I seen this on Facebook and I'm like, where can I find this brush? So I went on YouTube and I went to saying like blow dryer brush. I wanted to try that. Yes, so we're going to try that together today. So my hair is dry. I washed it the other day. So the only thing that's on it is some oil. So I'm going to spritz a little water on it and then get started, y'all. So y'all can know what's up. I still got this here. I'm going to find me some clamps here. Walmart got some. The next time I go in there, I'm going to say this in all my videos. I hope y'all staying in. Y'all staying safe. So Corona could take her ass on. So, well, I'm sick of that. I'm sick of that bed. Like, for real, I'm sick of that bed. Damn. You know, I'm ready for life to go back. You know, this some BS. But shit. Anyway. So like I told y'all, my hair is dry. And I'm going to damp it with some water. I don't think it need to be soaking wet, but I'm just going to dampen it a little bit. I was going to do it on dry hair, but if I try that more. One day. I'll try it one day, but not today. Just dampen it a little bit with some water. Just a little bit. And I'm also going to go through with this comb that I did in my last video the other day. And I'm just going to detangle it. Just to get the tangles out. Even though that's a blow dry brush, you really don't want to use that to detangle your hair with. You know, make sure your hair is detangled before you go in with that blow dryer. That's what I would do. I don't want too many hairs in it. You know, that's heat. You know, so. Alrighty. Make sure this is good and detangled. Oh, that neck, my bonnet came off last night, so yeah, it's a little bit more tangled than normal. I sleep well. I need to get one of those just gonna dampen a little bit more with some water. And I'm gonna do this big old section, y'all, because y'all see how thin. I don't have no thick hair. My hair ain't thick. Look. Alright. So we're gonna go in. No, we ain't. He's protected. I got this. He protected. And I'm gonna spray. Starting on my ends. There. Back here on the side. And I'm just gonna work all that in. Work it in, work it in. I should have put on a white shirt to do this video with. Therefore you can see. I mean, my hair ain't drastically long, but yeah, I might do some cutting in this video too. Look at my ends. Y'all can see it. Look how they look. Okay. I can't get it in there, but hey. They raggedy, but I'm gonna end up chopping them. I'm gonna start off with, got your off, your cool, try to get it in there, low, and your high. I'm gonna start off with the low. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, but I do need to do some of these ends though. I need to do something to chop some more of it off. They are like so brittle, so dry, so yep. Y'all won't judge me how I do mine. And I'm just gonna take a little bit off at a time. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's just how much I chopped off. Yeah. So yes. I like it. Like I said, I should wear a white shirt. I mean, my hair ain't all that long. It come right there. So do this side. And if your hair is thicker, I would suggest you do it in smaller sections. My hair ain't all that thick. That's what I'm doing mine in the bigger ones. So let's see. All right, let's. And the smoke y'all saw is probably from that heat protection that I used. Right, y'all. Probably got a little more water on that section, but I dried some anyway. Yeah, I did. I'll dry it. I go through with the dryer anyway. Again. Heat protected. Make sure I get it all everywhere. It's starting to. Right, right. Low. Let me tell y'all. This is like the best thing you can use in a short amount of time. Look how it just, y'all see how it just laid down my hair. All I probably need to do is throw some flat irons on it. It's a wrap. Most of the heat is coming from, y'all see that right here in the top? It's kind of like towards this way. Ain't nothing like blowing or whatever. It looks like you can see on the inside, but most of your heat is coming from this part of it. That's why you will see me do like that. But I only got a few hairs in here. Pick those out. You know, this hair, heat, you know. So, yeah, you gotta be safe. You gotta be safe in this thing. But look, y'all, yes, I like it. It don't take much to blow it out. I'm gonna take this other side down. Let me take the other side down so y'all can see how the shrinkage is. Y'all see that? Just trying to puff it out so y'all can see the difference. Let's see. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna give my review and my tips right now. So of course I love it. It doesn't take long for it to blow out, especially with my thickness of hair. Like I said, it looks thick. You see that, but you see how thin it is when it's blown out. So with my thickness, yes. If you have way thicker hair, like my daughter, she has real thick hair, I wouldn't use it in big sections like I just did. I use it in smaller sections. But my hair is thin, so that's why I use bigger sections. Y'all see the shrinkage, don't you look? Y'all see the shrinkage? Shrinkage, shrinkage, shrinkage. I should have did this part too. Look. A lot of people think my hair, yeah, shut. That shrinkage, but I love it. It's less time consuming. Like I said, the thing about it when it's wet is you gotta go in the root a little bit to get the roots wet. I mean not wet, dry to get the roots dry. I would recommend if you're trying to blow your hair out, get you some braids. Whatever kind of style you're trying to get is better than a regular blow dry. I would recommend this. Please do detangle your hair before you go in with this. Detangle your hair. Like I said, I didn't do it on dry. I dampened my hair. I wouldn't recommend you to do it on soaking wet hair. Just damp it, or if after you wash it, get some of the water out. Please use a heat protectant. Use a heat protectant, y'all. You know how we talking about that heat damage. So yes. So if you want a blown out style, whatever you want to do to your hair, it's good. It's good for that. So I recommend it. I got off Amazon for $33. I'll put the link to that in the description. Also, y'all, I'm almost at 500. I'm at 345 subscribers. So, like I said, when I get to 500, I want to do a cash giveaway to 4 people. So y'all subscribe to my channel, cut your notification bell on, so when y'all will be notified when I post another video. Follow my Instagram, which is BigLady85, and follow my Facebook page, which is Big Lady. Those are part of the rules to get in the giveaway, and I am gonna check it. So anyway, thank y'all for watching this video. Comment your thoughts and opinions below, and y'all have a blessed Wednesday.